Hi guys, Philip from Network Design here. I just wanted to touch base on something that I recently found out about. If you guys are using Wamp and you're having trouble with it, I actually found another solution in order to create a local server on your machine if you want to develop WordPress plugins, or if you just want to build a theme, modify a theme, what have you. And it is actually this company right here, Instant WordPress, InstantWP.com. And I actually found out about this just through monkeying around because I wasn't able to get WAMP to work right for me. And it was like so very frustrating. And I didn't know what to do. So, of course, when you're in WAMP, here's the WAMP interface, and you go ahead and download it, depending on whether you're 32-bit or 64-bit. I kept on getting where is my, sorry guys, I kept on getting the icon as being yellow and saying offline. And I'm almost like, no, that I kept on pressing put online, put online, put online, put online. So one thing that I actually found out after numerous amounts of searching around and looking at forums, so on and so forth, is that if you guys go to Apache, and if you go to service, and then if you go to test port 80, you click on that, you're going to come up with the command window. Now with the command window, the server is actually going to point you to whatever it is looking at. Now, when I downloaded WAMP, this is the current version. It might have changed, but this is what it should be looking at. Apache /2.4.9. I'm using a Windows 64-bit computer, and also running PHP /5.5.12. Depending on what you are downloading, these numbers could change, so on and so forth. And also if you're running on a Windows 32-bit system, obviously this number is going to change. You would not want to download a Windows 64-bit application if you're on a Windows 32-bit machine. Also, I'm running a Windows 8.1, and I will be updating this when Windows 10 comes out, which should be the latter part of the summer, which I'm excited about. And so, with this window open, so you know what possibly your problem might be. So leave this window open. If you want to troubleshoot it, try to troubleshoot it, leave this window open. And if you go to your File Explorer, usually this is my computer, my something, I changed it. If you right click on it, and if you go to Manage, a new window should pop up, or will pop up, depending on my machine's kind of slow, I'm sorry. There we go. There's my little ring of death. A new window is going to pop up, and then with that window is going to have, there we go, your computer management screen. Divided up into 3 sections. Go to Service and Applications, and then double click on Services. Now, with your services, you can actually see what's running on your local host. You can actually, excuse me, you can actually change all this, you could change the status of everything in here to be disabled, manual, what have you. Now, the problem with that being, obviously, things can totally screw up your machine, so on and so forth. So, when I was first troubleshooting this particular type of instance, or this particular type of problem, my direction was leading me to, oh, where is it? Oh, come on. Was leading me to this. This is the one that was actually blocking Wamp from actually running correctly on my system. Now, how do you fix this? You click on it, you highlight it, and again, I'm running Windows 8.1, so not sure if this is going to work for Windows 7, and I'm pretty sure it should work for Windows 8. So you can either stop the service or you can restart the service. If you restart the service, hopefully there might not be a conflict. But if you want, you could go ahead and right click on the highlighted area, click Properties, and then here it's just going to give you a whole bunch of detailed information. Service status, running. And then startup type, you can actually choose automatic, automatic delayed start, manual, or disabled. Play around with all four of those, or at least with three of them. Figure out which one works, which one doesn't, see if anything else breaks, and then, click OK, and then you should be ready to go. Then after you're done doing that, obviously close the windows, and then go back to your WAMP server icon, go to Apache, go to service, test port 80, and see if this has changed. If it hasn't, then there is a deeper dive, or you might just need to restart your computer. So anyway, that's a problem that I had that I just wanted to bring to light, which is why I found out about Instant WordPress. Now, it's relatively simple. If you click download now, it actually doesn't download, but it actually takes you to the download page. And it tells you that the current version of Instant WordPress is 4.4.2. So when you go ahead and download that, and I actually already downloaded, save some time, and you click on it, what's going to happen is when you open the folder, just click on the application, little icon here with file type application. And then when the application loads, it's actually going to pop up a window. As you see here, it's like it's installing. And it's taking its time. I apologize. All right, so Instant WordPress is started. And basically, you have this little modal window, or this little pop-up window. So you can actually go into your plugin folder, your themes folder, your database, or you can actually go into the dashboard right here, or look at the WordPress front page. It actually gives you a local WordPress URL. So if you actually take this, copy it, go back to your browser, click on it, and then paste, this is what you are going to see. Again, this is reading it from your local machine. So this is not going anywhere online for your client to see or whatever. This is for you. If you're working for a client, playing around with stuff, if you want to screw anything up, you could screw everything up and come back and fix it. You don't have to worry about it. I'm sorry that this is taking so long. I am not sure if you can actually change the instance. I'm not sure if you can actually change the address for the local host. If anyone out there knows if you could do it, please let me know or drop me a comment below. So here it is, and obviously this is one of the local themes or the default themes. I think this is 2012, 2010 maybe. But then you can actually take this and go WP admin, and then it's going to pull in the admin page. What was the login password? Admin password? So then this goes ahead and takes you to your dashboard, in which you can install pretty much anything. So if you want to go to appearance, themes. So the theme is 2010, which is the one that you saw pop up. If you want to add a theme, obviously you can do it how you normally do it. Find a theme that you want to upload, whether it's locally or if it's a theme that you bought, so on and so forth. Upload it, play around with it, add plugins, so on and so forth. Even if you want to take one of the default themes, go into the editor and switch it out, more than welcome to, because everything is localized, which is one of the good things I like about this application or program, is that it keeps everything local and everything is awesome. Another good thing, when you're done going through everything and tweaking everything, what you could do is go to IWP server, htdocs, WordPress, and here's your whole file structure for WordPress. So if you go to WP content, if you go to themes, you could grab the theme that you were working on and then move it to FTP or cPanel or what have you. And then when you guys are done with everything, pretty much you could just close it, and then it is going to shut down InstantWP. And that is it. I just wanted to go over a brief introduction of InstantWP. I haven't seen many videos on this, so I just wanted to go ahead and do a real quick video, as well as the little caveat, a little irksome, about the Wamp server and just trying to troubleshoot if you guys are running into problems, having this icon just be not go green, or if it's not online, or if it can't connect to your local server, how to pretty much look for that via the Apache test port 80. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a comment, and if you like the video, like it, and subscribe to my channel. I have other videos coming up. Thanks so much. Bye.